Alright, what's up? I'm going to show you in this video how to get Mu Vault. I've had several of you guys ask me how to go through this process. You were a little confused because I guess you don't know how to read the docs or something. But I've had several of you ask me because you wanted to take me up on the Engagement Monster AI lifetime account or partner program with a one-time fee. So I'm going to show you how to go in and actually, if I can get the right screen, I'm going to show you how to go in and actually get your Mu Vault. Alright, so you can actually just head over to our website, mu.money. So you can head over to our website, and what you want to do is you want to end up with this Mu Vault right here. So you're going to start, basically you're going to start over here at Mu Coin, and you're going to work your way over to get this Mu Vault. Alright, so you can see right now, if we look in our wallet, we don't have any Mu Coin whatsoever. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click this button that says Get Mu Coin, and it is going to open up this page on Trader Joe's where we could just go ahead and buy some Mu Coin. What I'm going to do, you can use basically any crypto that you want to buy it. Instead of using USDC, I'm going to use Avalanche. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and buy 5 AVAX worth of Mu Coin. And that's going to give me, you can see, 644 Mu Coin. So I'm just going to go ahead and click swap. It's going to pop up MetaMask, and then I am going to confirm that I do indeed want to actually swap. And you can see I've just actually swapped, and I've got 644 Mu now. All right, so now I'm going to go back over to this website. If I refresh the page, I'll be able to see that here I've got my 644 Mu Coin. You can see here I've got my 644 Mu Coin. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the next token that I need, which is Mu Gold. So again, you can see all I'm doing is I'm actually just clicking on this link right here that says Get Mu Gold. So I'm just going to click on that. And you can see it automatically opens up on Trader Joe's, which is, you can also do this on Uniswap if you want to do it on Uniswap. I'm just going to use Trader Joe's. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the amount of Mu Coin that I want to convert to Mu Gold. So you can see I'm doing that right now. I'm just going to use all of my Mu Coin, and that is going to give me 40 Mu Gold. So now all I need to do is click on swap. That is going to pop up MetaMask again, and I'm just going to confirm that transaction. We'll wait for it to go through. Now you can see that was successful. So now I don't have any Mu Coin because I just spent all my Mu Coin to get Mu Gold, and now I have 40 Mu Gold. So now I can actually leave here, go right back to the website. Just going to click refresh here on the website. And now you can see here I have my 40 Mu Gold. So I got my Mu Coin, then I got my Mu Gold. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Mu Ore. So I'm just going to click on this button that says Get Mu Ore. And then you can see that it's going to pop this up right here. And I want to get Mu Ore, so I'm going to be depositing my Mu Gold so that I can actually get Mu Ore. So I'm going to go ahead and just click the max button here. If you wanted to put, just 10 or something, however, as long as you have that amount, you're good. I'm just going to go ahead and do the max here. So now I'm going to hit approve. I'm going to approve this transaction with my MetaMask wallet. I'm going to wait for that process to go through. That's going to take just a few seconds. So I'll just wait. So now I can see that process, that approval process went through. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on this deposit button. So whenever I click on this deposit button, it is going to pop up MetaMask again, ask me to confirm. I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And then I'm just going to wait for this transaction to go through. Okay, so now it says congratulations, my Mu Gold deposit is completed. So that's actually been completed. So now at this point we went and we've got our Mu Gold, we got our Mu Coin, we got our Mu Gold, and now we have our Mu Ore. All right, so now we have our Mu Ore. So now what we're going to do is we are just going to come in, and we're going to click this button here because we need to get the Mu Vault. Now we're going to click this button that says Get Mu Vault. And what we're going to do is, again, I'm just going to hit max here. You don't have to. If you just want 10 or 20 or some lesser amount, you can put in the lesser amount. You know, if you want 25 or whatever, I'm just going to go ahead and click max. So now I'm going to convert all my Mu ore into Mu Vault. I'm going to click this approve button. That again is going to pop up MetaMask. I am going to click next and approve on MetaMask. I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to wait for this transaction to go through. I'm going to wait for this approval process to go through. Just waiting. Now that approval process has went through, so now I'm going to go ahead and deposit. I'm going to go ahead and click on this deposit. That's going to again pop up MetaMask, and I'm just going to actually confirm. Now I'm going to wait for that transaction to go through. All right, and then it says, congratulations, you've received 40 Mu Vault. So now I have my Mu Vault. All right, now if I just actually refresh that page, now I've got my Mu Vault. So that's how you do it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. If you want to go in and actually get your Mu Vault, you're just going to go through the process. You're going to start with Mu Coin, which is the entry point for the ecosystem. Then you're going to get Mu Gold, which is the payment token for the ecosystem for people who want to buy stuff. Then you're going to convert that Mu Gold into Mu Ore. You're basically wrapping it, as that's the rewards bearing token. And then you're going to take that Mu Ore and you're going to essentially deposit it into the Mu Vault. So you're just going to basically click this button, click this button, click this button, click this button, and just follow the video just like I made it. So hopefully that makes sense and it clears everything up. And now you know how to get Mu Vault if you want to purchase some of our offers.